Guys, so this is gonna be the LiveWell mold for the transom. Got it finished and shaped, so we're gonna get it resined up and then start laying some glass on it and tooling gel coat, so it'll be a mold. Guys, it's time to spray the mold for the LiveWell. Oh, you can see here, we got it already sprayed and sanded down. We're gonna finish it off with one nice coat. Well guys, it's a new day. Fingers crossed. Let's try and get this mold popped out. Alright, so molds aren't my specialty. I had a fight with this, but we got it out. Oh, don't tell me I got it stuck back. Shit. Well, I got it out, but long story short, I had to cut the bottom off all the way around. As you can see, I cut it all the way around, and then I got my pry bars into the mold and basically widened it out. I think where I messed up, well, one was the base should have been a little bit stronger, and two, I think I glassed too much on it because it was like very stiff and not flexible. So I think next time I'm just gonna put 1 or 2 layers of just chop strand on it and then pop the mold out and then glass on top of that, because this thing was a pain in the ass. And as you can see, I had to fiberglass a strap onto here so I could pull it out of the mold. Obviously, I'm gonna have to repair it a little bit, but it's still usable, so I'm still happy about that. And then here is the LiveWell. I have to get this all pulled up, but it looks good. Alrighty, so we got the LiveWell tub popped out of the mold here. We got our sheet of Kusa, and I got a template made right here to trace out. This is going to be like go like that over the LiveWell. Obviously this is only half. I'm trying to make it as symmetrical as possible, so I only traced out half of the curve. And what I'll do is I'll mark it here, trace this out, and then all I'll do is just flip it over like so, and it should be perfectly symmetrical on both sides. And this will be our top portion for the transom LiveWell on the 26-foot Mako. Top piece of the coring. What I ended up doing is marking where the hatch is going to be, as you can see here. So what I'm going to do is get this cut out and then take it, put it on top of this, line it up, make sure it's centered, and then we're going to trace out the cut that we made on that piece, pull it off, mark an inch in, and then trace that out and cut it out. And that's how we'll have our hatch. That's how we're going to basically cut our hatch to put this. Alright, it's a new day. We got the Transom LiveWell piece into place at the moment. Trying to figure out how I'm gonna brace the tub. I want to put some kind of fiberglass structure underneath of it just so it has a brace for extra protection, since it's gonna be a lot of weight inside that LiveWell with all the water. But yeah, as you can see, we went with a squared off design instead of a curve, and that's just the raw look of it for now. Got it pretty pretty level to the original deck at the moment, but like I said, I'm just trying to figure out the height and the length of what I got to do and build to make a brace underneath of it, and then we'll start walling it off with our Devon cell foam here. So you get a quick idea of how it's gonna look like that with the Devon cell foam walled off. We'll just get this all tabbed in real quick, pull it out, glass the underneath backside real well for extra strength. But yeah. So I went ahead and boxed it off with some Devon cell and some epoxy. Got a glass with some 1708 all the way around on the outside. What I'm about to do now is take a thick batch of epoxy and get a nice 45 bead of thickened resin all the way down on the edges here, and start layering up some 1708 on the inside of this LiveWell. And once it cures, we'll get it fitted in the boat and install it. Alright guys, that wraps up the video on the 26-foot Mako. Got the bilge compartment getting ready to get primed and painted. That's why I haven't installed the Transom LiveWell yet. Got the gas tank in, gonna save that for another video. And then, so here's the Transom LiveWell, fully glassed up, ready to rock and roll. Flip it over. Went with a squared off finish. Obviously, we got to fair it all out and get it cleaned up. But see the inside, very deep. We'll have our outport off of this little ridge here. Nice little finish. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, and until next time, peace.